guys, and welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm doing a hair vlog.
So this is my small 7-star spa, guys, and this is where everything's gonna go down. Before washing your hair, just make sure you finger detangle and ensure you have no knots. At this point, you can also section your hair if you want to, but for today I'm not gonna do that. I'm using Miadi shampoo. After a really good wash, I'm just going to dry my hair slightly with a towel and move on to my conditioner. I'm using Mikala conditioner. I love this conditioner. I'm very generous when it comes to conditioners. Remember, when you're trying to grow your hair out, conditioners really determine the amount of breakage you get when you're trying to detangle your hair. So choose a good conditioner that works well with your hair. I'm now massaging the conditioner into my hair and making sure it gets to all parts of my hair. I'm then going to wear a plastic cap and give it around 5 minutes. Now that the conditioner has done its work, I'm just going to section my hair into 4 parts and then move on to detangling. So now it's time to detangle my hair using a comb, and as you can see, guys, I'm starting from the ends and moving towards the roots. This is going to minimize the amount of breakage I get. Remember to be very gentle and just take your time. I'm going to do this to all 4 sections and then rinse off the conditioner. As you can tell, guys, I had to change into a t-shirt because I was soaking wet. Anyway, now it's time to style the hair, and I'm starting off with a leave-in conditioner, and for today I'm using Cantu. After the leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to oil my hair, and for today I'm using coconut oil. I'm going to spread it all over and also not forgetting my scalp. final step. To be comfortable, make sure you don't tie your scarf too tight. I'm just going to shape the puff using my hands and I'm good to go. If you want to lay your edges, you can do so. This is the final look, guys. It's such a simple style. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Ciao!